Hi everyone, back with another new keto recipe. We've got a spaghetti goulash and cheesy garlic bread. This will serve 4 people. Here's what you will need. You'll need a pound of ground beef. You'll need 2 packages of the Shirataki Spaghetti noodles, a keto bread. That's a new bread I got from Walmart by Brownsberry. And then you'll need mozzarella shredded cheese. You'll need a red pesto for seasoning, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, oregano. You'll need a fry pan and spatula and cover. You'll need a 1-cupper and a cookie sheet, which isn't in the picture. Sorry about that. Preheat the oven to 400, and while that's preheating, let's get our hamburger cooked up on the stove. That was a 1-pound package of ground beef. You'll see the picture here. Turn it on a medium heat, and then you want to season it up, but just season it lightly because you're going to season it twice with the pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, oregano. Cover and let cook. Of course, in between, be breaking it up. And you want it pretty small pieces because we're going to make it kind of a goulash, like a meat sauce. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and rinse our shirataki noodles under the cold water. Put it in a strainer. And I only do this clip for about 10 seconds, but look at how I'm doing it. You really want to get down inside of there, rinsing those noodles really good for 3 minutes to get that smell off. Once it's done, go ahead and chop it up with the kitchen scissors because the noodles are pretty long. Then your hamburger should be done, so let's drain it and stick it back on the stove, and let's get our mixture all together now. You want to take the noodles right from the strainer. Don't boil these, just right from the strainer and pour it over your hamburger. Add 1 jar of the red pesto. It's a 6.7-ounce jar. And then you want to fill it with water and pour that over, just 1 jar of it, of water. There's the picture there. And then we're going to give this a good stir. But first, we're going to do the seasoning again. The pink salt, pepper, oregano, and then onion and garlic powder. And then give it a good stir, cover, and turn on a simmer for about 10 minutes, which gives you time now to get your cheesy garlic bread ready. So you're going to take your bread. This is brownberry bread from Walmart, like I said. It's 3 net carbs a slice. It's pretty thin, but really good. All right, you want to butter them up with real butter and then add over the onion powder and pink salt. Since it's not a garlic salt, it's onion powder. And then add a 4th cup of the mozzarella cheese over each one. Pop it into the oven. And you're going to cook this for 8 minutes, which is perfect timing because you had your prep time and cook time. And then your hot dish will be ready. Pull out your bread and plate up. Add over some Parmesan cheese and it's ready to go. Each serving there was 11 net carbs. It's 2 slices. So if you want to go a little lower, just do 1 slice of bread with a serving of the spaghetti goulash. But there is 11 net carbs. And wow, this was so good. My husband was blown away how good it was. It really tasted like a spaghetti goulash. And that garlic cheese bread was delicious. Make this for your family. Your kids will love it. Always keep it keto.